Today, guys, we are doing the baking soda experiment and vinegar. Yeah, baking soda and vinegar experiment. Alright, so we're going to be putting vinegar and baking soda inside this test tube.
What kind of vinegar are you using?
We're going to be using apple cider vinegar. And we're also going to put this in a test tube. Yeah, and we're going to also put this in a beaker too, with the baking soda and vinegar.
So let's go ahead and fill it up to 90. Let's go.
Yeah. So we're about to put it in there.
Pour that into the
other
glass.
I'm going to pour it into the
beaker.
This glass, the beaker.
Mm-hmm. And why are you pouring it into the other glass?
Because with this glass you can't measure it.
And so you want to make sure you got the same amount?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Okay, that's 90s. Okay.
Next,
guys, we're going to be putting the two full spoons of baking soda inside the gloves. So let's go.
Okay.
Could you open this, Amy? Thanks. So, okay, that's one. And two. Mm-hmm. So now, guys, it's time.
Now he has to fill his glove.
Yeah. Here you go. Here you go.
Oh, okay. I'm about to fill my glove up. Did it not hear me?
Okay. Oh, God.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Big old.
There you go. Next, guys, we put our gloves on top of the container.
And guys, when you do this challenge, you might want to put a rubber band over it because if it pops off, it will be a total fail. So,
and what we wanted to do is just like this to, expand like a.
So what are we trying to do? We're trying to see what?
We're trying to see if the gloves get able to get up and stand and hold.
If it expands, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna see if the mixture blows it up. All right. So
go ahead.
Hold on.
All right, guys, it's time to blow our mixtures.
Ready? Go.
Go.
Oh snap! It's not coming out.
Not coming down. Oh my gosh!
Yeah, gotta work with your fingers.
Oh snap!
It's in the fingers of the glove.
Oh gosh! Oh gosh!
It's not. Mine's not coming. Oh yes, it is.
It's coming up slowly.
Oh.
Every time this goes inside. Oh, it's expanding.
Oh.
Oh.
Look at it go.
Oh. Just leave it. Really big?
Whoa!
Whoa. Well, there's a mess.
It's a big mess. Sticky. Looks like this is going to be very sticky. Jada just put that on here again and it exploded more. Like he just poured the vinegar and nothing was on there.
Well, might as well make it.
Dude, what the heck?
Okay, guys. Anyway, that's the end of the video.
Don't forget to click that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click that
notification bell.
And guys, also, Jada, don't forget.
Handshake. Let's get to it. Let's go.